How to clear cache in Wire Messenger application using Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you are trying to clear the Wire Messenger cache on your Android, then first of all, open up the Settings application on your Android device. Inside the Settings menu that appears on the screen, scroll down and tap on Apps. Now from the Apps list, look for Wire, tap on it. Inside the App Info section, click on Clear Data at the bottom right. In the pop-up, click on Clear Cache, and in the pop-up, click OK. Soon after you do that, you will be able to clear the cache from your Wire Messenger application using Android. So that's how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.